Hi everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily pair your BOSE A30 Aviation headset with your Android device. So actually yes, you can pair your BOSE A30 headset with your phone because they have Bluetooth, and even though they are aviation headphones, you can do it. At first we have to go to settings, and then we have to go into connected devices. Here we have to tap parent device, and now we have to make sure that here we do have batteries inserted. As you can see, let me open it very quickly. Here we have the batteries. And now we have to pull the switch from off to, for example, mute, and we have to turn on our headphones. Now we can hold the Bluetooth button. Of course, they have to unlock somehow. Now we have our Bluetooth enabled, and we can see BOSE A30 here on the list. We have to tap that, and as you can see, now we are pairing. It can take a while because they are aviation headphones, and sometimes it can lag, but don't worry, we can tap it again. And if we don't haven't succeeded, we can hold the button again. It might be an irritating process, because I know that. And now we have it a pair. Now, as you can see, we are connected to our headphones. That's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.